Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I got a real good one for you. We're going to get into these commercial leases. So, question reads as follows: if a lessee pays a fixed amount of rent plus all the expenses, the lease is known as A net lease, B, a percentage lease, C, a gross lease, D, a graduated lease. So let's knock out a couple ones that we know are going to be wrong. Percentage lease. That is a commercial lease that's usually reserved for shopping plazas, shopping stores, individual stores that are going to have some sort of retail sales that are customer facing. So what happens is the lessee, okay, the one who's receiving the lease, who's also referred to as the tenant, would be paying a fixed rate plus a percentage of the gross sales. Okay. And why is this something that's done? Well, I'll tell you, it's because the real estate property owner, it incentivizes them to bring clients in, to attract people, to put signage up, to keep things really well maintained, so that they have a stake in the sales that the lessee is going to have. So percentage lease is that. Next one that we're going to cross off is a gross lease. A gross lease could be our typical traditional residential real estate lease where you're just paying a flat fee. Also, there are commercial leases where you have stuff like that. There's co-working space, things of that nature where you could also see a gross lease kind of style. Okay. Next, we're set up with a graduated lease and a net lease. So a graduated lease is going to increase. It's going to have little escalation periods. And that is not what we're looking at here. And this is what we're talking about. We're talking about a net lease, okay? So the answer is A, net lease. Guys, I hope you like this one. Again, if you do like what I'm doing, hit subscribe, hit like. And also, don't forget, I give private lessons. Links down below to register and sign up for that. Guys, have a great one. I'll see you real soon.